Hey everyone, see that guy right there? That'd be Timber. He's cute, lazy. Oh, I woke him up. Timber. Timber. Oh, no, he's going to play shy. Anyhow, so in today's video, we're going to do something a bit different. Today's video are going to be snacks for our four-legged canine friends, including the ones that like to sleep a lot. Hey? Oh, he's going to play hard to get. Anyhow, hope you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe. Here we go. Okay, here we go. So here I have about 2.5 cups of whole wheat flour with some about a teaspoon of baking powder sprinkled on top into the bowl. To that we're going to add 1 egg. We're going to start stirring that together. I'm going to use a wooden spoon. Okay, so it's going to be crumbly. To that, we are going to add 1 cup of all natural peanut butter. This is the stuff that on the label it should just say peanut butter, nothing else. Or sorry, not peanut butter, but 100% peanuts. One thing about peanut butter is there's an ingredient that are not good for dogs called xylitol. Exactly how it sounds. It starts with an X. Look it up. We're going to start stirring that. Now, don't be afraid to get dirty. Actually, going to stop that and take the jewelry off. Now, to this, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. Now, a little trick. If you're using spoonware and you're afraid that the honey will get stuck to the spoon, spray it with some cooking spray. And then we'll measure this out. One, and 2. Oh, your Timber is getting ready for his treats. And then to all this, 1 cup of water. Now if you want, you can start stirring with the spoon. But I'm going to stop, and I'm just going to go in and get dirty. Make sure your hands are washed, which mine were beforehand. And start mixing everything together. This is going to be a very firm, sticky dough. Try to get as much of the liquid and everything else incorporated as much as possible. Just like so. Okay, I'm going to take that. I'm going to get rid of the bowl and start working it some more. Just like so. Okay. Now, before we go any further, I am going to take some flour. And we're going to roll this out. You don't want to go too thin, maybe a ½ an inch thick. And as you can probably tell, I did use, crunchy peanut butter. It's entirely up to you. There's no law whether you want to use smooth or crunchy. Okay, now we're going to cut out shapes. And because these are going to be dog treats, oh, what do you think? Doggy bone cookie cutter. Start cutting them. Now, as you can see, I have some cut out, some over here, extra batter, which I will roll back together and spread out with the roller and do what I'm about to do again. So once you have your tray full, it doesn't matter if they're touching. These are not going to spread out very far, and they're not going to rise very far. Take a fork and do like what you see all the other ones do, the holes. I do not have the pan sprayed. Now, put these into a 350-degree oven, preheated, for about 20 minutes. And we'll take a look what they're like when they come out. Okay, about to take them out of the oven. There you go. So, here we go. Fresh from the oven. Now, let these cool on the pan for 5 minutes or so. See, you can lift them up. They're not stuck. I'll just let them cool there for a few minutes and then put them on the wire rack, which I have underneath. Other batch is going into the oven right now, and then we'll have a taste test. See you in a bit. Okay, so these are now completely cooled, and my little guy has been a good boy, so we're going to take one. Who wants a treat? Timber, where you go? What do you do? Go ahead. I think somebody likes them. Timber. They good? Yeah? They good? Good boy. You gonna watch my video? You gonna tell your friends outside to watch my video? Good boy. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.